various products have the end zones covered. Your system will include the tripod and travel bag, a hard-sided case for all the components, and a cart to roll the tripod from site to site. Remove the tripod from the travel bag and insert into the cart. You can now roll the unit to a safe and level site to begin video. Never attach the components or telescope the tripod before extending the tripod legs. Starting with the front leg, pull the leg until the pin locks into the first hole. Notice that you will have to rotate each leg around so that they will clear the tires as you extend them. Once all three are out, set the pins of each leg to the middle hole and make level. Please notice that you should never extend the legs so far that they lift the unit off the ground. Next, slide the plate onto the tripod until it passes the safety catch. You will hear it click. Notice how you have a full range of positions, but always center camcorders over the tilt head as shown. Tighten the knob on the side to secure the camcorder. Connect the battery to the adapter plate located on back of the monitor. Next, locate the threaded hole on the bottom of the monitor and using the captive screw, tighten the monitor in place. The height of the monitor can be adjusted by loosening the wing nut behind the monitor and sliding the bracket up or down. Make sure to tighten the bracket down once the adjustment is made. Make sure the stop tag located on the inside of the tilt reel is in the 12 o'clock position. Place the tilt reel onto the threaded bolt and rotate up until stop tab makes contact with the bracket. Now, using the knob, tighten down the reel. This knob is what you use to adjust the amount of tension to control the tilt of the camcorder. Finally, pull the tilt cable up and attach to the tilt arm. Place the camcorder end of the cable into the cradle. This is the end of the cable without the silver bracket. Next, attach the silver bracket to the tripod using the knob to tightly secure the cable. You must always attach cables securely to tripod before making the following connections. If the adapter is not already on the coiled cable, connect it now by plugging yellow to yellow and black to black. Plug the half-moon shaped end into the camera. Now do the same with the remote and the monitor. Black to black, and plug the yellow into the monitor located below the battery. Note that I bring the yellow underneath the cable coming from the winch. So that you don't telescope the tripod and find out you forgot to turn the camcorder on, check all functions before raising. Turn the camcorder on using the remote handle. You are checking for a picture on the monitor and to see that you can zoom in and out. Also, you should see all the camcorder information on the monitor screen, such as battery time, record, and standby. In this segment, I will also explain how to raise the push-up tower. Before telescoping, return the handle to the upright position and make sure the cable clamp on the reel is open. Rotate the tripod's mast so that the winch is now in front of you. Always check that the cable is not snagged and begin cranking the winch as you hold the cable free. Always crank the winch in a clockwise direction using your right hand. The operator should be watching for the red stop sticker to appear just above the first pulley. Once all the slack is out of the cable, you can now use your left hand for added support as you crank the tower up. Now that the tower is up, you can fasten the tilt cable. Rotate the tower back so that you are looking at the monitor and pull the handle down just above horizontal as shown. Press the cable to the reel and close the clamp so that it sandwiches the tilt cable. Tighten down the wing nut tightly so that it does not slip. Once this is done, you can now control the tilt motion of the camcorder. Everything is now connected and you can start the video. You can easily and smoothly move the camcorder left and right, up and down. Use the remote to control zoom, record, pause, and power. Lower the mast by first unclamping the tilt cable. Loosen the wing nut, open the clamp, and return handle to upright position. Rotate the winch to you and release the ratchet key by pushing forward on the handle just enough to disengage the key. You can now bring it down by rotating the winch handle counterclockwise. Again, once there is slack in the coiled cable, hold it clear of any entanglement. The coiled data cable is the lifeline of the system and needs to be handled and cared for as such. Replace the ratchet key and fold the winch handle. Unplug the connections from the coiled cable to the camcorder, monitor, and remote before unattaching from the tripod. Unlatch the tilt cable from the arm and let the cable recoil into the reel. Loosen the knob and slide the reel off. Remove the sun hood and loosen the screw holding the monitor. Loosen the knob on the side of the camcorder mount and slide down. Press the release button on the opposite side and take the camcorder off. The hard case is provided for the protection of all components. For hassle-free operation, take the time to properly care for your new system. Return the support legs to the upright position and either roll the tower in or place inside your travel bag.